Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to master sub-items in Monday.com. If you've been looking to manage your projects more efficiently by breaking down complex tasks into smaller, more achievable components, then you're in the right place. This is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple responsibilities, managing a team, or running a growing business where details can easily get overlooked. Let's dive right into it and explore how you can make the most of sub-items to streamline your workflow and keep things organized within Monday.com. When used correctly, sub-items can help you reduce clutter, stay on track, and clearly see how every small task contributes to the bigger picture. The first thing you'll need to do is access your desired board within Monday.com. If you're already logged in, simply navigate to the board you want to work on. This might be a project board, a content calendar, or even a workflow you use to manage store, updates or product launches. Having your board set up and ready to go is the foundation for all of the sub-item magic we're about to explore. So take a moment to make sure you're on the right page and ready to customize your project management experience. Now that you're on your board, the next step is to initiate the process of adding sub-items. You want to find the plus sign, which is typically located at the top of the column where you'd like to add a sub-item. Hover over this plus sign and then right-click on it. This is usually the same column where your main tasks or items live. This action brings up a context menu from which you'll be able to move forward. Right-clicking may seem like a small step, but it opens up a world of options for expanding your task management capabilities. It's one of those hidden features that can make a big difference once you know it's there. Once you've accessed the context menu, you'll see an option to add sub-item. Go ahead and click on that. This is where the real unpacking of information happens. By adding sub-items, you are essentially attaching a more detailed breakdown to your top-level task or items, which can provide further clarity for your team and improve overall task management. For example, a single task like launch new product can be broken down into multiple actionable steps that are easier to assign and track. With the sub-item row created, it's time to customize your sub-items by inputting the specific name that reflects the smaller task you are addressing. Be descriptive yet concise, as the name of the sub-item should clearly communicate what the task is about. This makes it easier for everyone involved in the project to understand the exact nature of what needs to be accomplished, without needing extra explanations or follow-up messages. Finally, your new sub-items are ready for further customization. You can expand their functionality by adding columns and other elements to tailor the information to your needs. Monday.com offers a range of column types, including status updates, due dates, and people columns to assign tasks to team members. These columns help you track progress, set deadlines, and clearly define ownership at a glance. This is your opportunity to make the sub-items as informative and helpful as possible, enhancing visibility and increasing productivity for your team by embedding essential details directly into the task structure. When everything lives in one place, it's easier to stay organized and avoid missed steps. With these steps, we've covered how to effectively utilize sub-items within Monday.com to maximize your team's efficiency. Give it a try on your next project and create a more organized and focused approach to tackling your task, especially as your workload and responsibilities continue to grow. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.